So, namiss nyo agad yung stage. Umalit agad kayo dito. But, wait lang, hinihingal ako. Let's do a group introduction ulit for the crowd to know you ulit.
Okay, 1, 2. Hello everyone, we are Abstract! And we are here for you from A to Z!
Okay, now Iya, our beautiful Iya here.
Hi everyone! Hi, I'm Iya! So, wala naman akong introduction. Ang introduction, we are bulletproof. Charan! Charan! Sa hindi. Joke lang yan. Thank you! I love you too!
Ayan, di ba? Ganda-ganda. Oh! Anyway, next.
To the park! To the park! Keep it alive! Marimar!
Ay, hey, may hakot ba kayo? May hakot kayo? Parang lakas. Sumagot. Ba't mag-start tayo sa Alive? Okay?
By grading ko.
Yes.
Okay, group grading to. Go.
So for us po, it's the word expression po. Kasi we're going to bring different tastes of music na hindi pa nakikita sa P-pop and we can say na, ay pwede pala to sa ganito. Parang ganun. Kaya through expression, we'll make the world a better place. And thank you! Kaya abangan niyo kami guys.
Next are soloists.
Ayan naman siya. Hello, so what makes me different? Actually, I can't think of any other things na would make me different from others. Kasi I can compare myself as well with other people. So kung ano yung nakikita niyo sa akin, yun yung papakita ko lang sa inyo. Okay? So, we just have to be unique as we are. Yan lang.
Oh, so the word that will describe her is unique. Okay. How about you guys? Nag-uusap ko sa kanina.
One word that describe our group po is unique po. Hindi po sa paraan na mas magaling po kami sa kanila or mas magaling po sila sa amin. Pero pag nagpe-perform po kami, pinapakita po namin kung ano po talaga kami and kung ano po yung gusto namin ipakita sa inyo pong lahat, yung talent po namin, gusto po namin i-share.
Okay, thank you so much. Grabe, nakaka-inspire naman talaga yung mga answer. From the boys, from the groups and the soloists. Before anything else, let's take a picture first.